Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube for an installations recap for the week of 8/3/2025. The first doll installed is a trunk doll by Goldie Wilson. This is a 14-inch all porcelain doll by the artist who also made the wig and all of the doll's clothes. The trunk includes fashions for the doll and shoes, as well as accessories. The artist also made and painted the decorative trunk that is made of wood. And the second doll installed this week is a reproduction of Horsman's 1957 doll, Pete. This is an all porcelain version of the vinyl 1957 doll. It is dressed by the curator in a two-piece camouflage fashion and gray slides made of felt. Pete. And the last doll installed this week is a 22-inch composition mama doll by Horsman from the early 1900s. This doll is from the Joseph W. Imhoff family. Mr. Imhoff was a prominent photographer in the Detroit area in the late 1800s. This doll is believed to have been used in Mr. Imhoff's studio, where he is known to have photographed several African American families and individuals. He later gave the doll to his granddaughter, Mildred Imhoff, who later gave it to her granddaughter, Pamela Kellogg. The doll is from the early 1900s. It's 22 inches, wears its original dress and bonnet, one original shoe, and a replica of the original shoe. This rare doll is now in the possession of DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum, courtesy of the Imhoff family. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, visit the museum website at virtualblackdollmuseum.com. Find the subscribe button, enter your email address, and you'll be updated by email when new installations are published. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your comments and feedback are also appreciated.